makes repeated independent attempts to hit the target. Okay, on each attempt, the probability that she succeed is 0.1. Okay, probability to succeed is 0.1. So probability not to succeed. Okay, I always like to put a tick and cross. Okay, only then I can distinguish. Okay, it's 0.9. Okay, find the probability for A. Find the probability the first time she succeed is on the 5th attempt. So the probability here will be x equals to 5. Okay, we have done so many questions, so I'm not going to write the formula. So I'll just straight away go to the answer. So it should be q to the power of r minus 1. So q here is 0.9 to the power of 5 minus 1, which is 4, multiplied by 0.1, and the answer is 0.06561. Okay. Okay, next question B. The first time she succeed is after her 5th attempt. Okay, not the first attempt, not the second attempt, but after the 5th attempt. So P equals to X is greater than or equal to after the 5th. So it should be 6 or greater. Okay, 6 or greater. So let's do this. So if it's more, then meaning the first more than 6, okay, more than or equal to 6, the first attempt that she got hit is only on the 6th or 7th or 8th and so on. So the first 5 she didn't manage to hit. Okay, so in that case, so since she didn't manage to hit, so it should be 0.9, okay, to the power of 5. Okay, and this is 0.59049. Okay, that's fine. Okay, next C. Okay, I'll write C over here. Okay, the second time she succeeds is before a 4th attempt. The second time she succeeds is before a 4th attempt. So before her 4th attempt for the second time. So let's say first attempt, okay, second attempt, okay, and third attempt. Okay, I can't go to the 4th attempt because the question says she succeeded before her 4th attempt. So it should be either the second attempt or third attempt. Okay, so can't really be on the first attempt. Can it be? Yeah. Okay. I don't think so. So it should be on the first or the second or the third attempt. So let's look at this. So how do I do this? Okay, so who are they? So it's Sandra makes repeated. So the second attempt should be okay. So let's break this. Okay, that's an easy method is to break it. 0.1, 0.9, and then second attempt 0.1, 0.9. Then the third attempt 0.1 and 0.9. Okay, so the possibility that she can have repeated attempts on each attempt, the probability of succeeding, and the probability the second time. Okay, second time. So definitely can't be the first one. So what I can have is the possibility is hit, no hit, and hit, right? Okay, or she can have hit, even the second attempt can be an hit, and the third attempt can be no hit. Okay, this is if she goes all the way to the 3 attempts. What if she already hit the first attempt, okay, and then she goes well, hit, no hit. Yeah, this is hit, and then no hit. Okay, if second time she was already hit, she doesn't have to do the third hit, isn't it? Okay, so we don't have to have that. Yeah, because the question says, okay, read the question. The second time she succeed is before. So the moment on each attempt, the probability that she succeeds is 0.1. So Sandra makes repeated, okay, independent attempts to hit a target. So second time it can be the second one, okay, hit, and that's it. She doesn't have to do the third round. But what if she doesn't hit on the first one, but after that she takes the second attempt, she hit, and then the third attempt she hit? Okay, do you get it? So the first possibility is hit, no hit, hit. The second possibility is hit, and then second attempt she hits, so she stops. That's it. Okay, because the question says the second time she succeeds is before, so that could happen. So she doesn't have to take the third attempt because the question says only 2 hits. Okay, second time only succeeds. That's it. If she succeeded in the second attempt, then that's it. She's done. Okay, and the third possibility is no hit. First time she didn't hit, and then second attempt she hit, and then the third attempt is the second time she's succeeding. Okay, so these are the 3 possibilities. So after this, once you got these, once you figure this, I think this was the difficult part, to think. Once you figure this out, I think the rest of it should be fine, because you have 3 possibilities. You just have to add. So let's do that. Hit, no hit, hit, 0.1, no hit, 0.9, and then times by hit. That's another 0.1. Okay, so this is hit and hit, 0.1 times by 0.1. Okay, and then the last one, no hit, which is 0.9, and then hit 0.1, and then 0.1. Okay, let's figure this out. So 3 attempts. Okay, so these two you have 3 attempts, and this one you have 1 attempt. So this should be 1 over 10, 9 over 10, 9 over 1 over 10. So that is 1 over 10 times 9 over 10 times 1 over 10, and this is 1 over 10 times 1 over 10, which is 1 over 100, and this is 1 over 10, so it's 9 over 1000. Okay, and finally this is also 9 over 1000. Okay, so let's add that. 9 over 1000 plus 9 over 1000 plus 1 over 100, and your answer is, so that's times 10 times 10 times 10, so 10, 19, 28, 28 over 1000, and your answer is 0.028. Okay, Jill also makes repeated attempts to hit the target. Each attempt of either Jill or Sandra is independent. Each time that Jill attempts to hit the target, the probability that she succeeds is 0.2. So there's another person who's called Jill. Okay, so her possibilities of getting hit is 0.2, and then so if possibility of getting hit is 0.2, not getting hit is 0.8. Okay, that's 0.8. Okay, let's fix that. So now so tick and then cross. Okay, so find the probability that the first person to hit the target is Sandra on her second attempt. And who's going first? Sandra is going first. Okay, Sandra is going first. Okay, so if Sandra is going first, so I'm going to put S, and then followed by J, and then S. Okay, SJS. Okay, so first person to hit the target is Sandra. So Jill is not going to hit the targets, but let's look at the possibilities. So if Sandra goes first, since she's the first person to hit the target on a second attempt, so first attempt she is not succeeding, so that should be 0.9. Okay, and then Jill could hit, okay, 0.2, and then Sandra again fails, which is 0. 0. Second attempt she hits, so 0.1, not she fails, she hits, because the question says second attempt she makes it. Okay, that she hits the target. So first attempt she doesn't hit the target. First attempt for Jill, she may hit the target, but the second attempt for Sandra, she hits the target. Okay, so this is 0.9 multiplied by 0.2, okay, 0.2 times by 0.1, okay. And then let's look at the other possibilities. Okay, what is the other possibility? Sandra may hit. Can she hit? No, she can't, because the second attempt, right? So she can't hit. And also Jill may not hit, and Sandra hits. Okay, so this is 0.9 times by 0.8, and then times by 0.1. Okay, 0.9 times 0.8 and 0.1. Out of this, okay, let's read the question. The question says the first person to hit the target is Sandra. So we have to discard Jill hitting. We have to discard this part. Okay, this one over here. We have to discard. Why? Because Jill, in this question, if you look at it, Jill has already hit. Okay, this one, 0.2. So she can't hit. Okay, because the first person to hit, okay, is Sandra. So Sandra first attempt, she's not hitting. Jill is not hitting, and then second attempt Jill is hitting. So from here, this is, okay, taking this, so you should get 9 over 10. Okay, 9 over 10. Oops, 9 over 10 times 8 over 10. Okay, and then times 1 over 10. Sorry about the smudging, I don't know, there's some difficulty. Okay, suddenly I don't know why, or maybe because I'm using marker. Okay, and then 9 times 8, which is 72 over 1000. Okay, 72 over 1000, which I can simplify to divide that by 8, and that is 9 over 125, and okay, and the answer is 0.0.072. Okay, okay, next, last one. Okay, the next one, find the probability that the first person to hit the target is Sandra on a 10th attempt. So first 9 attempts she fails. Okay, first 9 attempts she fails. And what about Jill? Does she makes it? No, she doesn't make it also. Okay, so in this case, both of them doesn't make it, but one person has one extra. Since Sandra is starting, okay, so since Sandra is starting, so let's find that. So she's not making she's not making it at the first 9 attempts. So what is the possibility of not making? What's the probability? 0.9. So 0.9 to the power of, okay, sorry guys, some issue with the, oops. I think there's some lagging here. Okay, maybe it's because of internet, or I don't know why. Okay, it's lagging, but just bear with me. Okay, 0.9 to the power of 9. Okay, why it's 0.9 to the power of 9? Because first 9 times Sandra it's not making. Okay, and how many attempts does since Sandra goes first, okay, so Sandra goes first, so by the time Sandra goes to the 10th, Jill should have done 9. Okay, she should have attempted 9 times, and she failed all 9 times. So the possibility of she failing is succeeding is 0.2. So failing is 0.8. Okay, 0.8. Okay, and this is also to the power of 9. Okay, and then Sandra is 9 times she failed, but she attempted the last time, the 10th time. So 10th time should be 0.9 to the power of 9 multiplied by 0.1. Okay, so 9 times she failed, and then the 10th time she made it. Okay, so when you multiply all this, your answer is 0.00519, or if I write it as 3SF is 0.00520. Okay, hope that's clear. Thank you.